Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the feature can run smoothly. First, check your Windows 10 build-in settings system about. Game bar requires a recent 1903+ release. Once done, open Settings Gaming and flip the Xbox game bar toggle on. This enables shortcuts and overlays. Make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account so recordings and cloud features link correctly. These steps prepare Windows and your account, and they remove the most common blockers before you actually open the game bar. Now you'll open and configure the interface so it works the way you want. Press Win+G to summon the game bar overlay. If nothing appears, confirm the toggle is still on. Once visible, choose widgets for capture, audio, and performance. Click the settings cog to set capture length, frame rate, and background recording options. You can also remap keyboard shortcuts under captures for quicker start/stop. These settings directly affect recording quality and performance, so tweak them based on your hardware and storage constraints. You're ready to record and finalize the setup. Use Win+Alt+R to begin and end recordings, and Win+G to access overlays mid-session. Screenshots use Win+Alt+PRT-SCN. If it doesn't work, make sure game mode is enabled. Privacy settings allow app access to camera and microphone, and GPU drivers are current. Also update Xbox-related apps from the Microsoft Store and reboot. That often resolves overlay and permission conflicts. With those steps complete, your game bar should run reliably for captures and streaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.